Ever pondered the art of sitting? It's something we all do but seldom reflect on. Today, delve into the intricacies of taking a seat. Imagine a chair. Any chair, an opulent office chair, a plain stool, or a beanbag. Approach it, body upright, shoulders relaxed. Eyes take in the seat, measuring the distance. The next step involves shifting weight onto the feet. Bend the knees, maintaining a straight back. This is the descent, a calculated fall. Aim to land gently, surrendering the weight to the chair. As you meet chair, adjust your position. Align your back with the backrest. Feet rest flat on the floor, knees at a right angle. Arms fall naturally at the sides or on the armrests. Now take a moment to feel the seat beneath, the backrest behind. Adjust the posture if necessary. This is the final step, the settling in. Sitting, as mundane as it may seem, is a series of detailed steps. A of the body and the chair. But why does it matter? Correct sitting posture offers myriad benefits. It reduces risk of back pain, aids digestion, promotes better breathing, and improves concentration. In summary, sitting involves approaching the chair, assessing its position, initiating a controlled descent, landing softly, adjusting the posture, and finally settling in. Each step is a key part of the overall experience. Each step has importance. So the next time you sit, think about the process. Experience the art of sitting. It's not just about relief, it's about a personal engagement with our surroundings. And who knows, you might just find a new appreciation for something as simple as sitting on a chair.